Morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. We are at the train station in Reggio Emilia, ready to get the train to Rome.
That's right.
Cappuccino break.
Cappuccino break. See you guys.
See you guys.
Here we are at the taxi stand at Rome Termini station.
Yeah, you just have to wait in this line and that's it. Taxi are right there.
And as you can see, there's no line today, so we're in luck.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, off to the hotel.
After checking in at our hotel, we start our exploration at the Imperial Forum. From the Imperial Forum, we continue to Piazza Navona, Castel Sant'Angelo, and the Vatican.
Piazza Navona was originally used as a horse racing track back in Roman times, and later on it was used as a market. Today people enjoy looking at the fountains and the church, and also it's a great place to stop for an aperitivo. We're here at this nice little coffee shop, and this nice lady is going to let me try some pistachio ice cream. Who doesn't like pistachio ice cream? Sarah, do you like pistachio ice cream?
I love pistachio ice cream. Do you?
Whoa! That is incredible! This is the most amazing pistachio ice cream ever.
Thank you.
Behind me we have the Castel Sant'Angelo. Castel Sant'Angelo. And over there you can see Andrea filming.
On our back, you can see the Vatican all the way down there. Look how few people there are here. It's incredible.
What a beautiful sight it is.
I know, it's shocking.
For those of you who find yourself in the Vatican and you want to go visit Canada, right there is the Canadian Embassy for the Vatican, and it's just behind the church. Look at that beautiful Canadian flag.
This guy, you have 1 foot in Italy and 1 foot in Vatican City, so 2 countries. We are in front of the Pietà of Michelangelo. This is one of Michelangelo's first statue, and it's incredibly famous.
We're here at the Vatican in front of the Swiss Guard, and as you can see, their uniforms are very colorful, and they were actually designed by Michelangelo. How cool is that?
Hey guys, we are in front of the Vatican again, and here's something really cool you can do. If you want to send yourself a postcard from a different country during your stay in Italy, you can send a postcard from here, and you're gonna get the stamp with from the Vatican State. So this is kind of cool. And this is the sundial. The shadow of the obelisk here is going to be here on June 22nd. And now we walk towards Torre Argentina. Here we are in front of the Torre Argentina site, and this is actually the place where Julius Caesar was killed. Everybody thinks that Julius Caesar was killed in the Senate, in the Forum, but no, the actual place was actually here.
And now we're off to the Jewish Ghetto, with a couple of stops along the way.
We are in front of one of the most iconic places in Rome. It's the monument to Vittorio Emanuele II, or Altare della Patria, or the monument to the unknown soldier. From here you can see one of the most beautiful views of Rome if you go all the way to the top. At the moment it's closed because they close at 7 o'clock, but yeah, during the day it's fantastic to go up there and take a view. Here we are, guys. This is something that not many people take a look at, but it's very important. It's right by the Capitol Hill and the monument of Vittorio Emanuele II. This is an actual insula. An insula was an apartment building in Rome, and it's the remaining of an apartment building in Rome. You can see the street level back then was down there. And this was probably a 3-story building with apartments where the Roman actually used to live. And these are the stairs to the Campidoglio with the beautiful piazza designed by Michelangelo. And we reach one of the most beautiful parts of Rome. At least one of my favorites. This is the Jewish Ghetto. This is the Portico D'Ottavia, which is some incredible Roman ruins. And this is the ghetto. This, as every Italian ghetto, had gates that were closed at sunset and reopened at sunrise every day. As you can see, this area is very alive, and especially in the summertime, there's lots of restaurants with tables outside, and you can eat the typical Roman Jewish dish, which is kind of like a separate cuisine inside of the main cuisine of Rome. Their main specialty is deep fried artichokes. They're absolutely fantastic. We're gonna have them tonight. We're still in the Jewish Ghetto, and as you can see, many of these buildings were built on top of the Roman buildings. And as you see here, there's some Roman building, and on top of them, they built a modern or more modern building. Here we are in our favorite Jewish Roman restaurant of all. It's called Sora Margherita. It's this beautiful little trattoria, and now they have table outside. It's fantastic. When you're in Italy, always ask for the local wine. It's usually the best.
Oh, this is like the most delicious thing in the Jewish Ghetto. It's a fried artichoke.
After dinner, we walk to the Colosseum.
How beautiful is this? Like 2,000 years old and it's still standing. If you're looking to do a tour of the Colosseum inside, check for the night tour of the Colosseum. It's actually the best because you have so few people. You have to book it in advance and make a reservation. But if you can do that, actually that's the thing to do. If you want the perfect shot of the Colosseum or the perfect selfie of the Colosseum, this is the place to be. Right after the Church of San Pietro in Vincoli, you come down and this is like this background. Look at this, can't get better of this.